Hei All India Radio Aizawl ani Chanchinthar a chair tu lerem sang ralte Prime Minister Narendra Modi an COVID vaccine pek chuat claim Zuana State le Union Territory ho tu te chu chanda turin a fui Lushai Hills District Village Councils Act 1953 Drafting Committee for Inkan and took home Dengi vei tamna state le Union Territory a sarkar lai pin methi amrwal omna team atir Kuminatana National Sports Award dong tur teming Youth Affairs and Sports Ministry in Apuang. India chuan COVID-19 do konga hlotlen na ro pui tak chang chhoze lin shidan na dos bible se chuang a pe chuak to a hedin mun thleng thei tura ma la tur doctor nurse le thok tudang zong zong te All India Radio chuan zana chebai a hlana heti rwal hian shileng ala re lawa wangin film crew chun zomzel turin ngai thatu te kan ngen chewa vaccine dose le lakim lo te po la thwai turin kan ngen chewa midang po la ve tura som turin kan ngen chewani sakahun pui lo thleng tura hian mai tuam na wa midang nai lo kutle mai ti fai te lo ngai pui mo zelang cheu COVID-19 kai noya sia do nei chuan rampum mo helpline number bial pakhat pakhat pani pathum pakwa pasari pariat bial pali parukle pakhat bial pasari panga baka Mizoram tan pakhat bial pani te biak po thei rengani tuna chuan Chanchinthar ilongai thlak chhun zamang o Prime Minister Narendra Modi chuan COVID-19 vaccine chungchanga Khan State le Union Territory ho tu te komin vaccine pechuak claim Zual State te chutan la turin afuya Mizoram Chief Minister Puzoram Thanga po in he virtual meeting hitchimin Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Althang Lianan atoi omani he meeting a hian COVID-19 vaccine pechuak claim Zual District Pariata District Magistrate 10 har sadna tote antar langa Prime Minister chuan thei top chua kumin kun to pa chuan vaccine dose ni a mitamzo kinan lak theinan tan na turin a cha sarkar lai puin har gar das tak ti thupui mangin chung tenin vaccine dose ni an chan theinan in tin tlo chuaka malak atum ti asoi vaccine pek chua konga Mizoram chu athok thathok khatle a dose khat nahi za somriat pani pek chua ani to a dose ni na za somruk pechuak to in state dangten na khai khin chuan second dose pechuak tamber pariat na ani voin meeting a hian chief secretary Dr. Renu Sharma health secretary Alaram Ngaka NHM Mizoram mission director Dr. Aizawl te po antelani Mizoram Youth Commission Chairman Dr. Vanalton Puya MLA chuan sarkar lai pui Minister of Textile Piyush Goyal chu office a moin hun kal to handloom park din chungchanga project anlo thelu to covid rileng wanga malak chun zom lawa om chu thar thole turin angen Dr. Vanalton Pui hi MLA Pulan Moyale MYC Under Secretary Tenan Toy Oma Ministry official poi mote an telbok handloom park din chungchang hi uluk taka soi hovin rom namasa chu scheme herdang lama omwanga ti khotlai ni thu sarkar lai pui ho tu te chuan an soya scheme thar mila DPR thar siama ennon le turin an shila DPR board sai dan tur kal mangi textile ministry official tenen krishi bawana an soi zui ngalani Piyush Goyal chuan atul dan anga lo en zui tum thu MYC chairman hi ashilani Mamit District Mizoram Journalists Association chuan chengbai bel chani noi sampua pakhat sing ni saruk zani sompali senga sakmek GSA khelmolte Mamit Multipurpose Indoor Stadium cheng noi sang khajani som pathum senga sakmek le PM Cares Fund PSA Oxygen Plant an tloa GSA khelmol hi main sang ni som ni atang khan thoktanin UDNP nan en kola tuihok luan korsiam zo to in retaining wall zo chep aditoa Gallery le pavilion siam anhama baka na hi zamzo engineering construction and consultancy Aizawl in thokin anna tho te hi thathokatin an shiani cheng nuai sang khajani som pathum senator Mamit Multipurpose Indoor Stadium hi Mizoram Development Agency in an thok meka Mamit tui pam na line in adala wangin aban hi anna phun kim theilawa MJA hian na tho china athale in an shiani MJA hian Mamit District Hospital atun naya hontak PM Cares Fund PSA Oxygen Plant Mamit District Hospital Complex abun chu hon nuwa man alani lo chan nen fia boka Oxygen Plant Electrical Connection Wire alafel lo thu thoktu te chuan soyin hospital chunga oxygen pipeline na li ka omawangin har sanna ombok thu thoktu te chuan an soya heng te thu nei tu te hne na an thlen to thun soibok Oxygen plant hi mangreng tur chuan electric bill asan don baka mang turindam lo an tam lo thu an soi bokani Lushai Hills District Village Councils Act 1953 Drafting Committee chu voin khan and Chairman Puzo Thanmoya LAD Secretary Hobin SAD Conference Hall Minekoa and Tukoma Mizoram Village Council in Kaishwana Dan man lai mek chu asiam na ari to awangin tun lai mila her remle siam thatni seti LAD Minister hoba meeting a rel alone to a he thu rel bozu hian Drafting Committee dinani a Village Council in Kaishwana Dan man mek asiam dang lam ngai te zir chianga pai tul nia langte paya bel ngai te bel touring committee hi dinani Drafting Committee chuan the Mizoram Village Councils Bill 2021 tia aming thak ni se ti arota dan duan chin chu committee hian tum tam tak a thlir to a voin meeting a hian a mor bok na an nai to thu Chairman Puzo Thanmoi chuan a soyani Drafting Committee in the Mizoram Village Councils Bill 2021 draft hi anduan fel huna Sarkar pompui turin an thelu tanga atulingin Cabinet le State Assembly ngai to turin akal chhozel donani Siha District MJA Tana Mara Autonomous District Council Budget Training MADCG and CD in an board site so in Khan CM Conference Room Puketi Roko Palakbial to MLA in a hong Puro ko chon media mi te chon mi pui te ne na thudik ria tira sarkar le mi puin kar thok to poi mo tak sarkar khotlang le ram in rail bol na konga masruai tu le khalngil tu ani awangin annun po anulok turani ati budget po an ria chena tul le a training po an hlok pui nge be sei thu soi abial chunga model village tan siata athan thu soin marachia wang tu chi chu atlember ani awang le khotai ma le enton tlak ani awanga thlangani thu soyani Budget training hi MADC Finance Department ni thiam ten MJA member te na hian an pechun zom dona MADC Budget hi Consolidated Fund of India atanga state sarkar adon kal tlangin grant aid in aron pechong le thina ni Chanchinthar hi All India Radio Aizawl atanga puana ni Sarkar lai pui chuan khosik nana chikhat dengi vei tamna state le union territory pakwa ashileng khwa kher dan tur ngai to pui tu tur high level team atira Union Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr Mansukh Mandavia hovatun thlani khata delia dengi din mun thlir hona nei ani nuwa he shilwana state le UT ya te hian mithiam rol omna team te hitir anni dengi Haryana Kerala Punjab Rajasthan Tamil Nadu Uttar Pradesh Uttarakhand Delhi le Jammu and Kashmir te aleng meka anden mun enfia tura mithiam tir zinga hian National Vector Borne Disease Control Program le National Center for Disease Control mithiam te po antelani Union Health Ministry soidanin tunden muna state le UT sang tangin dengue case nuai khat sing khat sanuk le zakwa somkwa pakhat anom thu donani Rampuma COVID-19 shidanna dos wai bel cha pasari le nuai somni paka chuang pek chu ani to a darkar somni pali kal da chung khan shikai thar sing khat sang kha zakwa pathum omin nezani somnga pani chunga shikai thar klember ni ani Union Health Ministry soidanin tuna hian shikai nuai khat singa sang khat le zani pakwa nommeka shikai zinga zazela somkwa pariat point pani enkol damanni Kumsa hi somni pakatan National Sports Award dong tur teming Youth Affairs and Sports Ministry in apuanga hetiang choi moine sports lama mi hlo tling te na kumtin hlan thinani komina hian Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award dong turin mi song pani thlanan ni a Thanzi nga hian Olympic gold medalist Neeraj Chopra, wrestler Ravi Kumar, boxer Lovelina Borgohain, parachuter Avani Lakhera, para badminton player Pramod Bhagat le Krishna Nagar le India Mipa hockey team captain Manpreet Singh ate antelani Arjuna Award dong tur mi somthum panga Dronacharya Award dong tur panga anombok Dhyan Chand Award for Lifetime Achievement in Sports and Games dong tur mi panga zinga wrestler Sajan Singh le boxer KC le khate antela hen choi moina te tun thlani som pathama president din Rashtrapati Bhavana ahla nang chanchin ti top na tlang pui Prime Minister Narendra Modi and COVID vaccine pek chhuat claim zona state le union territory how to te chutan la turin afui Lushai Hills District Village Councils Act 1953 Drafting Committee for Khan and took home. Dengi vei tamna state le union territory sarkar lai pin mithiam rol omna ti matir. Kominatan National Sports Award dong tur teming Youth Affairs and Sports Ministry in Napuang. Chuti zong chu Chanchinthar kan puan thei chu ani.